Guys, what's up? And this is another video about the X26. This bike is a 125cc and it's pretty nice bike. And I did do a speed run on it. Turns out it can do 40 miles an hour, like just absolutely smashing it, making it rev to the limits. It is a pretty good bike though, because it handles really well. It feels very nice, and like I actually like a 4-speed manual, because I thought having a 4-speed manual was like kind of useless, not gonna lie. But then like I had my semi-automatic before that. I had a Express Storm semi-automatic, and that thing sucked. It was so boring, just going up and down the gears. But this bike, it's a lot nicer because it's a clutch. So now I've learned. Now I can ride like 250s and the good stuff. Now I'm gonna make a video about me riding it, but just to tell you again, this is a 29-inch bike, 29 inches high, and it's a pretty good bike. It sounds beautiful. Like, let me just start it real quick. I'm gonna start it and I'll show you the bike. Now it's on again, and oh yeah, that thing sounds nice. It's cold right now, so it won't be able to like rev all the way. But like it's cold, so I can like touch it. So cold, touch, cold. But still, I'm gonna ride the bike now and show you guys how it performs and everything you need to know about this bike. And we're just not gonna talk about this label. Yeah, we're gonna have to peel that off later on. But yeah, let me show you guys a video while me driving it. Okay, so don't mind the garbage setup, but this is the bike. That's all. Now we're gonna start it. Let's see. Feel on. Very nice. It's cold. Put it in gear. I mean, that's the bike. I can drive it one more time. Actually, wanna do that? I think we should. Bike for y'all. Hope you enjoyed the video. And you want more videos? I'll make more videos.